ang beat, hawak mo ang galit, bawat ka lang.
Calamba, anyone from Calamba? Hello, good morning. Yeah, and then I saw anyone from south of Luzon? Luzon, south of Luzon, ayan, Parañaque, and everywhere. Las Piñas, yes, kaway-kaway po tayo dyan. And then we have someone from Baguio City, all the way from the north. Ayan, so good morning everyone, and for those who are in Cebu.
Are you okay today? Yes! Now everyone is welcome. Welcome in Forever. Welcome in the Forever Adventure. Who is there in the Forever family for less than, let's say, 1 year? I cannot raise up my hand, but who? Less than 1 year. Less than 1 year. Welcome. You are probably the most important people now. Yes. Because honestly, me too. And just some figures is that the volume we are doing now in the Philippines is quite the same as the volume we do in Mauritius. You know Mauritius?
Yes.
The beaches? The sun? 5-star hotels everywhere? But unfortunately, the other side is one of the most poor country in the world. That's true, unfortunately. And you know what? We are doing exactly the same volume as Philippines, but the population of Mauritius is 1.2 million people.
Yeah.
1% of our population.
1% of our population. That means, if I'm right, if we are doing the same volume with a higher population 100 times, what's our potential?
Big potential.
100 times?
Yes.
Mauritius? You know what that means, 100 times Mauritius? That means that FLP Philippines will be #1 in the world.
Yes.
Very warm welcome. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Kumusta kayo?
Mabuti.
Woo! Grabe! Are you excited? Yes! Okay, well, we're also very, very excited to be here with all of you. Not just dito sa home office, but also in our business centers all over the Philippines. Hello to Cebu! And Davao, and Cavite. Ayan. So, hello everyone. So I'm gonna pass the mic on to Earl.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Nga pala si Earl Garcia. Good afternoon. And before I start, I just wanna say thank you to Philip, our VP for Forever Living Asia. Coming all the way from France to support us dito. So, palapakan namin natin sila. So, sino yung pinakamalapit dito? Quezon City. Well, palakpan natin mga sino yung mga from other cities or other parts?
Saan cities kayo?
Laguna.
Laguna!
Antipolo.
Makati!
Baguio, wow. Sino taga Cebu? Cebu! Bisaya!
Ay, mga Bisaya dire?
Yung mga taga Davao!
Bisaya!
Kasi taga Cagayan de Oro dire. Wala? Ako, Cagayan de Oro. Cagayan de Oro. Okay. So,
Ayun sila.
welcome. Siguro, istorya lang, ikwento ko na. Ikwento ko na lang siguro yung short story namin. Baka magtaka kayo or magtanong kayo, sino ba talaga si Earl? Sino si Belle? Ikwento ko lang kung paano kami nag-start sa Forever. Okay lang ba yon?
Yes!
Matagal na ako nag-start, 2003. So, it's been 23 years na. Siguro magtataka kayo, ilang taon ako nung nag-start ako? 1 year old po ako nag-start. Joke lang. So, sabi nga ni Philip kanina, nung nag-start ako, I was in nursing school. Nag-aaral ako para maging nurse. Na-invite ako sa Cagayan de Oro. Tapos, nag-2cc ako. Nanghiram ako ng pera para makuha ko yung Touch of Forever para makapag-start ng business. And ginawa ko lang siya part-time. Yes, ako po yun yung kinikwento ni Philip. So, ginawa ko lang siyang part-time and part-time pero hindi ko talaga alam kung anong ginagawa ko. Pero nag-focus ako sa school, sa nursing. And then, pumunta ako ng Amerika noong 2006. Nag-work po ako doon as a registered nurse. So, full-time of course, tapos ilang years na ako nag-work, and then na-meet ko si Belle, nag-move ako ng Florida. So, Florida, nung 2010. Alam ko talaga maganda yung Forever, kaya sabi ko kay Belle at that time na, uy, alam mo maganda talaga yung Forever, gawin natin to. Belle wasn't that open at that time, kaya sabi niya, wag muna, para walang away. Wala na. Wag na lang muna. So, nung 2012, I decided na i-restart ko yung Forever business ko. So, nung ni-restart ko, I was working full-time as a nurse. I had 2 jobs at that time. Of course, busy ako sa work, pero ginawa ko lang siyang part-time. So, after about 9 months of doing it part-time, nag-decide po ako na gawin full-time yung Forever. So, that was September of 2012. So, since then, hanggang ngayon, hindi na po ako nag-work as a nurse. Wala po akong ibang ginagawa, kundi Forever po. So, yes. Si Belle, nag-join din siya ng Forever, pero nag-full-time siya sa business noong 2015. Nag-resign siya from her job as a physical therapist. So, again, after that, hanggang ngayon, wala kami ibang ginagawa kundi Forever. And we're just so excited, we're passionate sa ginagawa namin, and we're glad we're here. So siguro may mga tanong kayo and may mga nagtatanong kung ano ba talaga, anong mangyayari ngayon. So we have a series of questions. Siguro if I flash the screen.
Yes.
Q&A.
Gusto mo po? Dito na lang, share na lang.
Hello?
Nung nabanggit to ni Greg and Aidan, in-offer nila yung opportunity to be the country sales manager for Forever Philippines, the first thing na na-feel ko talaga is I am so grateful. I am so grateful na nabigyan kami ng opportunity. At the same time, I am humbled with this leadership role to lead Forever Philippines. And nung in-offer nila to, parang hindi namin alam kung totoo ba to or nanaginip ba ako or something, kasi it's something na hindi namin in-expect. And before kami nag-decide, na-realize kasi namin if ever we decide to do it, to accept the role, it will be a huge decision coming from us as a couple. And of course, hindi siya overnight na, oh yes, agad. Of course, isip kami, nag-pray kami. And nung na-realize namin, this is really it for us. Kaya we accepted the offer. And just so you know, we've lived in the US for over 20 years, ako. So nag-work ako doon as a nurse, nag-forever ako. And saying yes meant everything na yung familiar namin, yung comfort zone namin sa Amerika, uuwi ng Philippines, medyo sabi namin, yun yung parang excited kami. Kasi of course, Pilipino kami. Pero at the same time, may tagal na kami na hindi sa Philippines nakatira. Pero knowing the experience, kasi yung sabi ko nga kanina, 2012, I decided to restart my Forever business. So it's been 14 years na ginagawa ko yung Forever full-time, and ang dami na ring blessings na ibigay ng Forever. And na-realize din namin, it is very fitting for us to also give back to Forever. Not just to be an FBO, but also to serve Forever Philippines. Kaya, no doubt, mag-yes talaga, di ba? And, siguro si Belle, if you wanna add something.
Yes. So, well, my answer to this was, siguro I'll go back to why we started Forever in the first place. So, noong 2012, as what Earl mentioned, very busy kami sa trabaho namin doon sa US. I was working 40 hours a week at least as a physical therapist. So, okay naman yung sweldo, pero ang kinikrave talaga namin was wala kaming freedom. And it's the case actually, akala lang no na pagka nasa ibang country ka ay okay ang lahat, but actually ang hirap mag-ask ng time off pag hindi sa'yo yung oras mo. And kahit pala na okay yung sweldo, pag wala kang oras, mahirap. Yeah? So that was what we craved. And mahilig kami mag-travel. Ang hirap mag-travel kasi limited lang yung time off mo. Ganon. So, that was why we said, well, Earl initially said yes to Forever in 2012 and restarted his business kasi naghanap lang talaga siya ng more time, more freedom. And yun yung nabigay ng Forever sa amin. Hindi lang yun, ang dami naming mga na-meet na mga bagong kaibigan, naging family namin, siguro gano'n din yung experience nyo, yung community namin sa team, ang saya. So, hindi namin yun mararanasan kung hindi kami nag-say yes to Forever in the first place. One more reason why we started is, well, one of the gifts that Forever gave us is, actually, mahiyain ako. So, may mga mahiyain ba dito? So, hindi ako sanay sa mga speaking engagement, wala na akong experience sa marketing, training, wala talaga. I was very shy, as in sa class dati, hindi mo ako nag-raise ng hand, ayaw ko magsalita. Baka ganun din yung experience nyo. But when I said yes to Forever, talagang yun yung nabigay sa akin, yung bang personal development. So kung yun din yung hinahanap nyo, yung maging mas confident kayo, mas magaling kayong makipag-deal sa tao, naku, makukuha nyo yan sa journey na ito. So anyway, ang daming nabigay ng Forever sa amin. Kaya yung sinasabi ni Earl kanina na, alam mo yun yung when the president and the CEO of the company na kinausap kami at sinabi sa amin itong role na ito. It's really about giving back to Forever and especially Forever Philippines. So, we're excited. Maraming mga plans ahead. And yun, sasagot namin in the... I don't want to get ahead of myself, so we'll answer it in the next question. So, yun.
Yes.
I also believe yung heart ng mga Pinoy. Kasi if you combine yung untapped potential and yung heart ng Pinoy, if you pag-isa mo yan, big things are coming for Forever Philippines. Kaya excited talaga.
Yes, so, thank you, Earl. Sa akin naman, what excites me the most are kayo, the people here in Forever Philippines. Kasi ang Pinoy, resilient tayo. We are hardworking. Do you believe?
Yes.
And Filipinos have a very big love for their families. And kung ganun man, then Forever can be the vehicle that you can use para marating niyo yung mga pangarap niyo in life. Kung ano man yun. Whether it is to provide for your family, whether it is to travel the world, or para magkabahay, or whatever it may be, this is the business for you. Ang Forever, did you know na almost 50 years na itong company natin? 50 years, that's a very long time. And for a company na ganun katagal, that's a big deal. Maraming companies out there, kahit nasabihin mo 10 years, and then, wala na sila. 15 years, wala na sila. 25 years, wala na sila. But 50 years, wow, that is a very long time. And to still be growing, and we are did you know we are in 140 countries around the world? Hindi yun madali. Hindi ka makakahanap ng isang company to be a part of na ganun kalawak sa buong mundo. And that is forever. We have great leadership in this business. Yung mga may-ari ng company, pag ma-meet mo talaga sila, you know, they're super humble people. Iba ang kultura dito sa, I don't know if you notice, pero iba tayo dito kasi we are really a family or part of a community. So anyway, that is what excites me the most about this new season kasi magkakaroon ng new season ang Forever Philippines. We will bring you the energy, the excitement. Ang dami na naming mga naranasan sa Forever. Hindi lang mga achievements, pero pati na rin ang mga failures. And dahil doon, matututo tayo sa isa't isa. So that is what excites me the most. Ayun. So, back to you, Earl.
So, yung question dito, what is your vision for Forever Philippines? Meron akong guide kasi I don't wanna miss out sa mga gusto ko i-share. Ang gusto lang namin mangyari sa Forever Philippines is we want this to become a place where Forever business owner feels they have the opportunity to succeed. Kasi siguro andito kayo ngayon because you just started the business, or andito kayo ngayon because you wanna restart the Forever business. And kahit ano man yung challenges nyo, ano yung level nyo, you are always welcome here. And we are proud of you kasi andito kayo ngayon.
Yes.
One of our priorities also is education. No? Meron tayong tinatag na Forever University. Gagawa tayo ng Forever University. We want to create more opportunities for training, leadership development, more recognition, and communication so that every FBO meron tayong access sa tools na kailangan natin para maging successful yung business natin. Are you excited?
Yes!
At the same time, we want to continue to strengthen the partnership natin between the office, yung head office dito, and sa mga FBOs yung nasa field. Kasi I myself, as an FBO, alam ko talaga yung mga feelings nyo, mga ganon, and I can say na valid po yun. And andito kami to support you move forward for your business.
Thank you, Earl. So, yung vision namin para sa Philippines talaga is to see, for me personally, is to see more of you go on stage for the very first time, to be recognized for your achievements. Ang sarap ng feeling actually na ma-recognize, right? Hindi na tayo masyado na-recognize sa trabaho. Pero dito, you are appreciated, you are valued, and it doesn't matter kung actually ma-meet mo yung may-ari ng company. They will not ask you kung anong level ka na ba. That doesn't matter because what's actually the most important people in the room are ngayon ay kung nagsisimula ka pa lang. You're a brand new, you're bago, assistant supervisor, or you're restarting your business. You're the most important person in the room. And so, yun yung vision namin is to help you succeed, na mas marami sa inyong ma-recognize on stage. Marami tayong Eagle Manager. Narinig niyo na ba yung Eagle Manager? Yes! So, magkaroon tayo ng mas maraming Eagle Managers dito sa Philippines. Mas maraming qualifiers. Ang saya nun. Magta-travel tayong sama-sama. So, yun yung aming goal talaga is to provide an environment for you na tuturuan namin kayo based on, hindi naman namin alam lahat, pero of course ay tuturo namin sa inyo kung ano yung experience namin. Recognize ko lang, so this is actually, kasi I know we're from the Philippines, pero meron po ditong from outside the Philippines, all the way from Las Vegas, lumipad lang si Tina all the way from Vegas to here to Manila for today. So, Tina is one. She's an Eagle manager and chairman's bonus qualifier as well. So, and she started in 2023.
Wow.
No, just a few years ago. So, yan yung ating vision sa Philippines. Also, is that we will have more of you qualify for the incentives.
Yes.
So, yeah. Okay, so next slide.
We will be present. Hindi kami nakatago sa desk. We will be present to meet you, to talk to you, to give our guidance, to help you succeed sa business nyo. As an FBO myself, and as at the same time country sales manager, I will also be building my business dito sa Forever Philippines. And excited ako kasi we can collaborate, we can, again, i-share namin sa inyo ano yung pinagagawa namin. Of course, this is your business, lahat naman tayo independent business owner. It's up to you kung ano yung gagawin nyo. Basta, again, mag-share lang kami. We will be meeting with, of course, yung mga managers and assistant supervisors. And you'll see us more. Not just sa Manila, not just sa Cebu, but all over the Philippines. So, you expect us na, imimit kayo all over. So, yan.
Yes, so maglilibot kami. So, hello to our Zoom listeners! So, yun, as nga sabi ni Earl. And then, looking forward na magkaroon pa tayo ng more trainings that are official trainings provided by the Home Office. Yan yung aming pwedeng maibigay. As business owners ourselves and having 14 years of experience dito sa business natin, yan yung pwede talaga naming maibigay sa inyo. And I believe, profession kasi ito, hindi lang ito na porket excited tayo. Yes, I'm excited. O sige, pwede na ako mag-business. Magandang excitement. Pero anong gagawin natin? Right? Paano ba talaga ginagawa ng tama? Paano ba talaga kumausap ng tao? Paano ba talaga mag-close ng sale? Paano ba talaga mag-develop ng isang bagong downline? These are things that you will, kung walang magtuturo, mahirap. Right? Or challenging. Kaya naman, pero ang tagal mong mararating yung goals mo. But sabi pa nga nila, if you have a mentor, it's like a time machine. Kasi pag may magtuturo sa iyo, mas mabilis mong makukuha kung ano yung mga gusto mo. So, that's what we can provide is the trainings, the ongoing trainings. Of course, tayo po ay 7,000 islands. Kaya, mahirap pong talagang, we live in a digital world. And so, we will have more Zoom meetings. And, mag-download lang tayo ng Zoom sa phone. Pwede na, as long as may internet. Para po na kahit saan pa kayo sa mundo, saan kayo sa Pilipinas, you can listen and you can continue to grow in your forever journey.
Give to someone just starting their forever business today. Ang masasabi ko lang is, sabi ko nga kanina, if you're here, you wanna start your business, you wanna restart your business, you are welcome. No? Wala pong magja-judge sa atin based sa CC natin kasi tao lang po tayo, paras lang tayo lahat. Our goal is to grow Forever Philippines and help you grow your forever business. Huwag kayong matakot mag-restart. You know why? Sinong nagre-restart dito? May I see the hands of yung mga gusto mag-restart ng forever business? Palakpakan naman natin yung nag-restart ng forever business. Restart or yung kakastart lang. The reason why nagtanong po ako, kasi I am a product of someone who decided to restart my forever business. So, ang business po kasi natin is of building and rebuilding business. Kaya wag kayong matakot, wag kayong mahiya if you're restarting. Kasi mayroong time na may mga challenges din, and that is part of your journey. And na-realize ko na nung nag-restart ako, challenging, pero as long as you follow yung basic principles na pag-build ng forever business and don't give up, you will achieve the incentives dito sa forever. So, ang masasabi ko rin is, huwag kayong matakot or huwag kayong never stop learning. Kasi andito tayo Kahit anong level tayo, we're all learning. Every day, we learn new things. Tama po ba?
Yes.
And ang masasabi ko lang din, if you're restarting your forever business, you have to be willing, you have to be coachable, and you have to be hungry. Sino yung gutom na dito? Di ba po yung ibig sabihin na? Willing. Ano yun? I-explain ko lang. You must be willing. You must be willing to do what you need to do for you to be successful dito sa Forever. Ano yung mga basic na kailangan natin gawin? Number 1 is we need to use the products. Lahat naman tayo gumagamit ng products.
Yes.
Not just the supplements, not just the aloe drinks, even the personal care, skincare, lahat. We need to drink aloe vera gel or other flavor kung ano yung preference nyo. But you have to do it every single day. But natin ini-emphasize yung pag-use ng products. Kasi it will really show. At the same time, you have more energy. If you share your experience sa mga prospects nyo, hindi ka takot. Kasi you are confident that you're using Forever products. Kasi na-realize ko, if you use our products, you will feel good. If you feel good, you can perform better and it will show. Tama?
Yes.
So, use the products. Basic lang talaga. Next is you share the products. I-retail natin, pero sa yung tamang paraan. No? Kasi as long as we follow the company policy lang din. And pangatlo is we sponsor people. Sponsor meaning we share the opportunities sa lahat ng kakilala natin. Huwag kayong matakot. As long as they are 18 and above. So, dito parang kaka-18 lang natin lahat. So, pwede na. No? So, huwag kayong matakot i-share yung opportunity. Kasi, sabi ko nga kanina, ang dami nang nagbago ang buhay nila because of this opportunity. It changed my life. It changed your life. I'm sure it will change other people's lives. No? So, huwag kayong matakot na gawin lang yung basics. You share sponsor. So, willing to do those things. Next is coachable. Bawal dito yung acne. Ay, alam ko na yan. Matagal na ako. Or may ganito na. No? I consider myself as if I just started my Forever business. Every day I learn things, not just from the managers, even from the customers, even from the preferred customers, even from the assistant supervisors. Can you imagine, every day you learn new things, ni-apply mo sa business mo, you will really grow dito sa Forever. So, willing, coachable, and hungry. Hungry, hindi naman literal na, gutom na ako, kailan ba ito matapos? You must be hungry, na parang yung desire natin na, gusto ko talaga magsasucceed. You have to be willing, coachable, and hungry na, kahit ano mangyari, magsasucceed ako dito. Kasi the moment you say something sa isip nyo na, parang hindi ko kaya, then hindi mo kaya talaga. But the moment you claim it sa sarili natin, na I can do this, I can become successful, I can become a manager, I can become an Eagle manager, I can become a chairman's bonus qualifier, I can be a level up qualifier. As long as you could claim it sa sarili natin, eventually, darating at darating din yan. As long as, always remember, willing, coachable, and hungry.
Thank you. Ang ganda nun. Dagdag ko lang kay Earl na hindi pwedeng 2 out of 3 or 1 out of 3. Na willing ka, coachable ka nga, hindi ka man hungry. Or coachable ka, hungry ka, hindi man willing. No? Kailangan talaga you had to be all 3 to succeed. So, yung advice ko naman para sa mga nandito na gustong mag-start or gustong mag-restart sa business nyo, number 1 is don't compare yourself sa iba. Kasi yun yung pinaka-ultimate source na hindi kayo magiging masaya doon. So don't compare your chapter 1 to somebody's chapter 20 or chapter 100. So, trust na ma-inspire tayo sa story ng iba, pero trust na meron kayong sariling journey, mag-focus kayo doon. And, to keep going kung ano man yung goal nyo. My second advice is to keep it simple. I think a lot of us overcomplicate the business, pero hindi naman dapat i-overcomplicate. napakasimple lang na mention na ni Earl yung mga dapat nating gawin. So, keep it simple. And then, lastly, is go back to the basics. Kasi, lalo na sa mga, kagaya sa atin na, sa amin for example, na matagal na sa business, nakakalimutan natin, ano dapat gawin? Minsan, nalolos tayo, right? Sa tagal na natin sa business. So, we're gonna go back to the basics, and that is also what we're going to do in our regular trainings. So yun, I hope na nandito kayo ngayon and excited kayo to restart or start your forever journey. Basta ang masasabi lang namin is we will be here to create an environment na susuportahan. Inumin kasi sabay-sabay po tayong iinom.
Thank you.
And mag-cheers po tayong lahat. Ayan. So, get your shot of meron po tayong original, berry. Meron din tayong peaches. Natry nyo na pa po yung berry and peaches. Yeah. So, kuha po kayo ng inyong aloe shots.
So you
Moment po tayo together.
in the office. Time for
Forever
moment.
Philippines!
We're on top of the world now, darling.
Alright. Make sure po na meron na kayong aloe sa inyong mga kamay. Kayo po tayong lahat. Yes! Are you ready?
Yes.
Mag-cheers tayo? Yes! Okay, sabihin po natin, mabuhay ang Forever Philippines!
Forever Philippines!
Woo! Cheers!
Cheers!
Okay, enjoy your aloe!
Yummy. Ito yung food namin ngayon. No?